Hello, welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be talking about MAYRA, the Model A Youth Restoration Award. So MAYRA is an organization. It's not part of either MAFCA or MARC. It's its own organization, and it provides awards to young people interested in Model A's. So they each year now they're going to be offering an award for the people that apply. I plan to apply, but I just wanted to get the word out about it because they accept donations. Um, it's a really great organization for getting youth into the hobby because one of the main reasons why, at least I'm assuming most youth aren't into these things is because they require a lot of time, a lot of money, and this helps you get along with some of the financial aspect of it. Um, But yeah, you can check out their website, modelayouthrestorationaward.org. Um, you can see the different sponsors. You can do memorials. Um, you can see Sue Mitchell, from Mitchell Overdrives, the mother. Um, and they do donations and just really read through it. It's a really great organization, and if you can support it, I'm sure they would appreciate it very much. I just wanted to do this quick little video, for this. Stay tuned, and I'm sure that next week I'll have a Model A video. Thank you. Bye.